Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, March 29th, 2021. It is Motivational Monday. Monday is a state of mind, so put your positive pants on and get stuff done today. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today we will have breakfast, and for lunch the menu says crispy toast. Tomorrow we will have breakfast and the lunch says hamburger. We have some birthdays today. Augie Pham is his birthday. Jacarius Turner has a birthday, and Olivia Gilmore. Happy birthday! Hope you'll have a fantastic Monday birthday. Our 5th grade remote learners will be in the building testing this morning, so please make sure to remember to be quiet near the computer lab and the collab lab. I know last week I saw Miss Bauer's class heading to PE by going out the front door and down the front sidewalk into the gym and avoiding the computer lab and collab lab altogether. Thanks for that, Miss Bauer's class. That's handy dandy. So if you can avoid this area, please do so. Be sure to stop by the lounge and vote on the school calendar for next year, teachers. You'll have to have that vote in by this Friday. Late duty today is Miss Check, and tomorrow is Miss Washam. Some important dates. We are still ACAP testing today for the teachers. The grades are due so that everyone will get their report cards on time. April 1st is Paraprofessional Day. Spring break is April 5th through the 9th. April 16th is Spring Pictures, and we will finish our ACAP summative on April 30th. May 3rd through the 27th is when we will be doing our third diagnostic for iReady. One of my favorite weeks of the school year, May 5th through the 9th, is Teacher Appreciation Week. So, students, be getting those cards ready, drawing those sweet little pictures for your teachers to show them how much you appreciate them. May 5th, Candace Tracy will be here during extended PE, and May 6th is Nurse Appreciation Day. Our ACAP PEP partners, we have some 5th graders testing this week, so 2nd grade is going to cheer them on. Then after spring break, we'll start the cycle over again, and 3rd, 4th, and 5th will be testing some more. Our AR superstars that have met their quarter goal, the most recent ones are from Miss Beatty's class, Jaden Knowles and Megan Overstreet. Miss Bertolino's class, Cameron Andrews and Jarrell Robinson. Miss Curd's class, Kaylin Boswell. Miss Duberg's class, Logan Millender. Miss Hamlin's class, Jacob Collins and Isabella Edwards. Miss Heichman's class, Libby Seal. Langford's room has Madison Dubose and Riley Pedway. Miss Lee's class has Layla Buford, Kiori Osborne, Sabre Ray, Mariah Turner. Miss Peralta's class has Safari Timmons. The top circulating class is Miss Bertolino's class with 47 circulations. Woo, they are reading up a storm in Miss Bertolino's class. The top patron this week is Cameron Andrews in Miss Bertolino's class with 13 circulations. So he checked out 13 books and he took a whole lot of tests because he reached his goal. Good job, Cameron Andrews. Miss Smith will be around with the AR cart this morning to give out those AR prizes. We have a couple of book request reminders from Miss Smith. Make sure the book is in when you request it. If the book is already checked out, it's not easy to get it because we don't have it in the library. So make sure it's checked in. Make sure you are taking AR tests for the books that you check out. There are several frequent book requesters that aren't taking tests or meeting their goals. For 4th quarter, we hope to see many more names in the AR Superstar window around the library. Remember, make a book request, get the book and read the book very well. Pay close attention, take an AR test, and do it all over again. Congratulations to our iReady Queens for this week. We have in kindergarten, Miss Waller and Miss Cunningham. 1st grade, we have Miss Shaver. 2nd grade, we have Miss Granger. 3rd grade, it says Miss Bertolino, but that's wrong. It's Miss Hamlin. Sorry, Miss Hamlin. 4th, we have Miss Langford. And 5th, we have Miss Heichman. So here we go. This one's correct. Our already time leaders, Miss Waller and Miss Cunningham, both tied for 100%. Shaver was 90%. Miss Granger with 100%. Miss Hamlin, third grade, with 95%. Miss Langford at 70%, and Miss Heichman at 90%. Great job to all of those classes. Students, you were doing an awesome job getting your minutes. Keep that up. Now, let's talk about our lesson leaders. In kindergarten, for reading, we have Hayden Stewart, and for math, we have Sabra Ray. In first grade reading, we have Maddie Olson in Miss Edenfield's class and Josiah also in Miss Edenfield's class. Second grade reading is Malachi Boone in Miss Curd's class. Math, we have Jacarius Turner in Miss Beatty's class. Third grade, most lessons reading, Amani Reed in Miss Hamlin's class, and math, Parker Scott in Miss Hamlin's class. Ooh, those two friends in third grade took the most lessons, and then their teacher got the iReady Queen. Good job to those folks for pushing their teacher up to the lead. Fourth grade, Jakeon Jordan in Miss Langford's class had the most in reading, and in math it was Brody Stoltz in Miss Bowers' class. Fifth grade, Abdullah, I think he had the most last week too, in Miss Heichman's class, and math, Zach Wavian in Miss Guidry's class. Great job, guys. Keep working hard. We have a shout out. Shout out to Destiny Wally in fifth grade. She was recognized by Miss Winter. We want to shout out to Destiny for being a good citizen and turning in something that did not belong to her. What a fantastic thing to do to show good character. Good job, Destiny. Our word of the day is liter. A liter is the basic unit of capacity in the metric system. 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters, okay? Oftentimes, we buy our bottled drinks in 2-liter drinks, okay? So that's how you can think about how much a liter is. Think about a 2-liter drink. So a liter would be half of that size. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Kate Shepherd.